Creating patient authorization records. In the patient folder, select a patient and click the Authorizations tab. Click New to create a new authorization or Open to open an existing authorization. Freedom features an automatic authorization tracking system, which issues color codings and warnings as authorizations are depleted. When the authorization editor is accessed via the patient folder, the patient name is entered in this field by default. When the authorization editor is accessed from elsewhere in Freedom, either scheduling or encounters, click the Patient Lookup button and select a patient. Select the patient's primary payer from the drop-down menu. Enter the date of the authorization. The authorization number is not required by all payers, but many payers require this number as a prerequisite to payment consideration. The patient's payer issues this number and may place certain conditions on the encounter, such as the number of visits allowed. Enter an authorization description for easier identification. Enter the date determined by a provider or payer that the authorization becomes valid. Enter the date determined by a provider or payer that the authorization expires. Enter the total number of authorized visits allowed as determined by the provider or payer. The number of used visits pertaining to this authorization are automatically displayed here. The number of remaining visits pertaining to this authorization are automatically displayed here. Click Save once all of the required fields have been completed.